Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show how to install Node.js in Windows. So for that, firstly I'll open the command prompt. Okay, I'll write here cmd and click on command prompt, and firstly I'll check whether Node.js is already installed in my system or not. So I'll write the command node-v, and we can see here Node is not recognized as an internal or external command. In the similar way, I'll write here npm version. Here also we are getting the same thing, npm is not recognized. Okay, so now what I will do, I'll open the browser. So I use Google Chrome. Definitely you can use your favorite browser. Okay, so I'll search here node download. Okay, and here the first option we can see here from the nodejs.org. So I'll click on the first option, download Node.js, and in here we can see download Node.js, and the current version is like 20.13. So we can see here the operating system is Windows, that is correct, and it is for 64-bit, so that is also correct. And I want to download this version, so I'll click on the download Node.js now. So we can see here it is downloading from here. Okay, let it download. Okay, so our Node.js MSI file is downloaded. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell here is the MSI file which I have downloaded is LTS version. Okay, so we can see here current version and the LTS. Okay, so I would recommend to go with LTS. Okay, that is recommended for most of the users, so go with that only. So Node.js MSI file is downloaded, you can see here. Now let's install it. So for that I'll double click on it, and we can see here the setup wizard, welcome to the Node.js. Okay, now click on next. If you want you can read it. Okay, I'll click on I accept, then click on next. Then from here we can change the installation path also. Okay, but I would recommend not to change this. Okay, now click on next, then again next, then click on next, click on install. Now after that I got option, do you want to allow this app to make the changes to your device? Then click on yes. Okay, so we can see here completed the Node.js setup wizard. Now Node.js has been successfully installed. Now click on finish. Okay, now I will again run the same thing, node version. Okay, and what about the npm? Okay, so let me close this and open the command prompt, new command prompt, cmd command prompt, and now let me write here npm version. Okay, so we can see here 10.5.2, and what about the node version? Okay, so the latest version is 20.13.1, which we have installed. Okay, we can see here. Okay, so in this way we can install the Node.js in our Windows laptop. Okay, so I hope you guys liked the video and it has helped you to install the Node.js in your Windows laptop. If it has helped you in any way, then please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will meet soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.